Hello! In this video, you will learn how to use the QuickSee Free Companion App. The Companion App allows you to adjust the settings on your QuickSee Free, manage patient measurement records, analyze advanced wavefront refraction metrics, and to generate patient measurement reports. If you haven't already installed the Companion App and connected to your QuickSee Free, please see our video about that. In this video, you will learn the main features of the app, including how the app creates new patient records and adds measurement results in real time, how to add additional patient information to the record, how to manage the full log of patients and measurements, and how to customize the device settings. On the main screen, you will have two key areas: the patient information and the measurement results. The measurement results will automatically populate as new measurements come in. On the top of the screen, notice the quick access buttons. We have one to disconnect the device and another to open the settings. In the settings space, you can find information about the device and change most of its settings. Now let's take a measurement with the QuickSee Free. We open the camera, we align the device, and we start recording. Once the measurement is finished, you can check the results both in the device and in the Companion App. You can see the refraction, and if it is a QuickSee Free Pro, you can also see the keratometry measurements. Now we have taken the device, and the result is automatically loaded in the Companion App. Now, in the patient information section, we can create a new patient. We can enter a custom ID or just click Add to use the next available ID number. After selecting or creating a patient ID, you can add important details such as the patient name, the patient's subjective refraction, or their prescription glasses. Expanding this section will let you include other ocular health notes, extra patient information, or any comment that you would like to add. With the Companion App, you can access the log even when your QuickSee Free is disconnected. The measurement records are organized with the most recent at the top of the list. When a QuickSee Free is connected to the Companion App, all of the patient records of the device are uploaded and displayed automatically in the Companion App, including records from multiple devices. You will find all of them in the Logs section. On this screen, you can view individual measurements or choose by patient. Opening a record will show the same detailed information as on the device. You can assign it to a specific patient, or you can create a new record on the spot. Under the Patient tab, you can create and manage a patient list. Creating a new patient will auto-generate an ID, but you can always change it if needed. You can also enter their details and assign existing records by simply selecting them from the list or using the box. Keep in mind, you can only assign a measurement record to one patient, but you can have a patient with several measurement records. Also, you can always remove a record from a patient. From the log page, you can also delete individual measurements or the entire patient record by hovering over the entry. Then check the white box and click on the bin icon. If you are in the Patient tab, you will delete the patient, and if you are in the Record tab, you will delete the selected records. Using the top menu, you can delete the entire log. This means that all the patients and records will be removed from the Companion App. Finally, the Support section will give you easy access to the user manual and Planoptica contact details. You can also check for Companion App updates here. There is a service request option that helps you to submit a service request, but this will be covered in another video. Finally, the Companion App supports multiple languages, which can be changed by clicking the options in the sidebar or in the top menu. You have now seen how to navigate the Companion App, view and manage your results, and to personalize your settings. Thank you for watching.